everyone, welcome back to Drama List, your ultimate sport for everything BL, GL, and Asian dramas. Today, we are diving into the Korean BL miniseries, My Secret Vampire, a bite sized fantasy romance that's been melting hearts since its release. Is this the cutest vampire BL ever, or does it fall flat with too much fluff and too little bite? Let's find out. My Secret Vampire is a short and sweet Korean BL miniseries with 8 episodes, each around 16 minutes long. It aired from September 18th to October 10th, 2025, every Thursday, which means to going to completion today, and is available to stream on IQIYI, blending comedy, romance, and fantasy. The story features vampire housemates with a 7.9 rating and over 6,200 watchers. This little Korean BL gem has quietly become a fan favorite. The story follows Joowon, Eunho, Seonjae, and Gunmin, four vampire housemates who need a new roommate. But here's the twist. They are not looking for rent money, they are looking for fresh blood. Enter Dongha, an innocent, sweet college student who's never lived with anyone before. He happily moves in, completely unaware he is now living with vampires. But to everyone's surprise, Dongha doesn't wait enough for them to drink his blood safely. So the vampires start feeding him non-stop, not out of kindness, but to fatten him up. But as the house fills with laughter, teasing, and small romantic moments, the bloodlust start turning into love. Let's talk about the cast, and honestly, they carried the show. Yoon Sing as Lee Jo Woon, the cold, half-human vampire leader who tries to hide his feelings but can't resist Dong-ha's warmth. Park Dong-ju as Han Dong-ha, our sunshine human, too pure for this vampire world. His bubbly personality lights up every scene. Lee Tae-hyung as Kang Seon-jae, the charming troublemaker who brings tension and unrequited love into the mix. Lee Dong-yeol as Jung Gun-min and Lee Jun-young as Cha Eun-ho, the adorable second couple who provide the show's funniest moments. The chemistry between Joo-won and Dong-ha is undeniably cute. Their slow burn romance turns surprisingly passionate by episode 4, with one of the most well shot kiss scenes in short BLs this year. Visually, the series gives off a cozy, pastel toned vibe. Think found family mixed with fluffy fantasy. Even though it's clearly a low budget production, the countryside sceneries and warm lighting make it feel aesthetically pleasing. The OST is soft and emotional, fitting the sweet, silly tone perfectly. And despite its short runtime, the editing keeps things light and watchable. What works? Adorable chemistry between leads, natural funny dialogue among the vampires, feel good dating moments, a surprisingly emotional arc for Junwoo and Dongha, great pacing, never drag despite being short. My Secret Vampire proves you don't need complex world building to tell a charming love story, just solid chemistry and heart. What doesn't work? But of course, not everything bites perfectly. The vampire story is paper thin. You can remove the supernatural element and still have the same story. Some emotional moments feel rushed because of the 16-minute format. The second couple deserve way more screen time. And for a vampire series, no one really drinks blood. Still, most fans, and I agree, find it refreshing that it didn't try too hard to be dark or dramatic. Friends are calling it the fluffiest vampire BL ever and a mood lifting gem. Some even said this is how you make a simple vampire BL love story. Too short, that should be a crime. Stop. This was ridiculously fluffy in the best way possible. People are already begging for season 2, especially after the lovely final episode where Joo-won finally confesses to Dong-ha. My Secret Vampire isn't about a vampire story. It's about warmth, found family, and a soft romance with a supernatural twist. It's light, rewatchable, and full of lovable moments that make you smile. Perfect for when you want something cute and easy. I'm giving it 7.8 out of 10 rating for the fluff, chemistry, and feel good energy, but loses a bit for lack of depth. Would I recommend it? Absolutely yes. If you are in the mood for a sweet, bite sized Korean BL that will brighten your day. If you loved My Secret Vampire, here are few similar dramas to check out next. Ball Boy Tactics. For the same sweet, minimal drama vibe, revamp the undead story. Another vampire woman comedy. Kissable Lips, emotional, tragic, and one of the best vampire PLs ever. So, what do you think of My Secret Vampire? Do you love its soft, fluffy side, or were you hoping for more fangs and fear? Comment below your thoughts and favorite scenes. I love reading your takes. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest BL and Asian drama updates right here on Drama List. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes love bites, but in this case, it just hugs you softly.